Yeah, Tesla just announced the big brake kit, which requires the 21-inch Arachnids. Before you jump the gun, you may want to consider some things. I'm going to post the comments below. Running 21-inch wheels, or having to run 21-inch wheels on a racetrack, if you're a true track driver, that's kind of a problem. Typically, you're going to stay in the 19-inch or lower range. Even the 20-inch or lower range. You're not going to be able to do that with Tesla's kit, and the Plaid does not really need rear brake help. It just doesn't. The front is where most of the braking takes place and where the stuff is needed. So, plus, who knows when it's going to be out? You can't even get stock brake pads right now for a regular brake system. So, things to think about. Check the comments.